Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P2195 refers to the specific code indicating that the air-fuel AF sensor signal is stuck lean in the Honda Civic model from 2022 onward. The AF sensor plays a crucial role in measuring the ratio of air to fuel, allowing the engine control unit to optimize fuel mixture for efficient combustion. Typically, this sensor is located in the exhaust system, upstream of the catalytic converter, ensuring that it accurately monitors the exhaust gases before they exit the engine. When the sensor output voltage remains higher than a specified threshold, the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, flags it as abnormal, resulting in the DTC P2195 being stored. This code can significantly impact engine performance and fuel efficiency if not promptly addressed. The primary component affected by DTC P2195 is the air-fuel sensor, Sensor 1, which is pivotal in monitoring the air-fuel mixture entering the engine. This sensor is typically positioned in the exhaust system just before the catalytic converter, to ensure it captures accurate readings of exhaust gases. Its role is crucial in providing real-time data to the PCM, enabling it to make necessary adjustments to fuel delivery and air intake. Situated in this location, it can directly influence engine performance and emission levels. If the sensor's output voltage is higher than the specified value when active, it indicates an issue, prompting the PCM to store the DTC and trigger a malfunction indicator light. DTC P2195 is thus an essential diagnostic code that alerts technicians to potential problems in the air-fuel management system. Several potential causes can lead to the triggering of DTC P2195. One common issue is the presence of dirt or debris in the mass airflow (MAF) sensor, which can hinder its ability to accurately measure airflow. When this sensor's readings are compromised, it can mislead the PCM into adjusting the air-fuel mixture incorrectly, leading to a lean condition. Additionally, a loose connection at the A-fuel sensor can create inconsistencies in signal transmission to the PCM, causing it to perceive a signal stuck lean. Finally, if all other components check out, but the issue persists, the PCM itself may be faulty. This highlights the need for thorough inspections of the sensors and connections before concluding that the PCM is at fault. When DTC P2195 occurs, various symptoms can manifest, indicating underlying issues in the vehicle's performance. One primary symptom is a noticeable decrease in engine performance, which may be felt as a lack of power or responsiveness, especially during acceleration. Additionally, drivers may experience rough idling, characterized by fluctuating engine speeds when the vehicle is at a standstill. This is often accompanied by an increase in harmful emissions, as an improper air-fuel mixture can lead to incomplete combustion. If left unchecked, these symptoms can lead to more severe engine problems over time, making early detection and remedying of the DTC essential for maintaining vehicle health. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P2195 involves starting the engine and holding the engine speed at 3,000 RPM without any load. This can be performed with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, in park or neutral, or a manual transmission in neutral. This step aims to reach a steady rotational speed at which the engine operates under controlled conditions. During this process, it is crucial to observe if the radiator fan activates as expected. The fan's operation indicates that the engine has reached a sufficient temperature and is allowing the AF sensor to provide accurate readings to the PCM. If the fan does not come on during this test, it may warrant further investigation into the cooling system, which could affect the entire diagnostic process. In the second troubleshooting step for DTC P2195, the mass airflow MAF sensor is inspected for visual integrity. Since the mass sensor plays a critical role in measuring airflow into the engine, any obstruction, such as dirt or debris, can severely impact its functionality. It is essential to ensure there is no contamination present on the sensor element. Checking for physical damage or loose connections is also important. If any debris is found during this inspection, cleaning or replacing the MAF sensor may resolve the lean condition being reported. If the sensor appears to be in normal condition, yet the DTC persists, further tests will be needed to explore issues with the AF sensor or the PCM. The next step in the troubleshooting protocol for DTC P2195 is to inspect the connections of the AF sensor, Sensor 1. A faulty connection can lead to erratic signal readings that may be interpreted by the PCM as a lean condition. Therefore, examining the wiring harness for any disconnections or looseness is crucial. Additionally, the installation integrity of the sensor itself must be confirmed. If the sensor is improperly installed, it might not function correctly. If any irregularities are found during this inspection, the sensor should be reinstalled correctly to ensure optimal performance. Proper connection and installation can eliminate the possibility of false DTC P2195 readings. The final troubleshooting step for DTC P2195 focuses on inspecting the powertrain control module, PCM. This step is necessary if all previous checks concerning the MAF sensor and the AF sensor have shown normal conditions. The PCM is the central computer coordinating the engine management system, interpreting data from the sensors to optimize engine performance. If the vehicle's other inspection items indicate no faults, it may be concluded that the PCM is at fault. Replacing or reprogramming the PCM can resolve persistent issues like DTC P2195. Evaluating the PCM's functionality is crucial in the troubleshooting process, as a defective unit can misinterpret sensor signals, leading to inefficiencies and performance issues. After completing the necessary repairs or replacements related to DTC P2195, it's essential to conduct a final verification process. Start by clearing the DTC using the Honda Diagnostics System, HDS, which will reset the PCM and allow for fresh data monitoring. Following this, it's crucial to perform a road test to engage the engine under various driving conditions. During the road test, carefully observe whether the check engine light illuminates again. If the light remains off and there are no drivability issues, the repair can be considered successful. This step solidifies the effectiveness of the troubleshooting process and ensures the vehicle is functioning as intended, free of the DTC P2195. Preventive maintenance is crucial in avoiding future occurrences of DTC P2195 and similar issues. Regular inspections of the air-fuel sensors, including the MAF and AF sensors, can help identify wear and tear before they lead to significant problems. Keeping electrical connections clean, free of corrosion and dirt, ensures effective sensor performance and communication with the PCM. Another preventive measure involves maintaining a clean fuel system, as dirty fuel can cause contamination and affect sensor readings. Scheduling routine checks as part of regular vehicle maintenance can help ensure the longevity of these critical components, ultimately protecting engine efficiency and performance. In conclusion, DTC P2195 is a vital diagnostic code that highlights potential problems with the AF sensor signal in the Honda Civic 2022 and newer models. Understanding the crucial role of the air-fuel sensor in maintaining optimal engine performance can help owners and technicians proactively address problems before they escalate. It is essential to conduct thorough inspections of the MAF sensor, AF sensor connections, and the PCM to accurately diagnose the underlying issues. Engaging in preventive maintenance practices, such as regular sensor inspections and keeping connections clear, can significantly reduce the frequency of such DTC occurrences. Overall, timely detection and resolution of DTC P2195 contribute to improved vehicle performance and efficiency. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.